Hello, everyone. Explore how the legal concepts of ownership and possession play a crucial role in civil law, especially in cases involving injunctions. These concepts often determine who gets the protection and how disputes are resolved. Ownership and possession are not just an abstract idea, they are central to how courts decide who gets legal protection. Injunctions, which are court orders to do or stop doing something, often depend on who possesses the property even more than who owns it. Court often relies on these concepts to decide who deserves protection and who holds a stronger claim. Ownership and possession are therefore central to civil law disputes, especially in cases involving injunctions. Possession often determine interim relief, while ownership resolves long-term disputes. Now we must understand there are different types of ownership and possessions. Ownership can take many forms. Absolute ownership gives full rights, while limited ownership may be subject to certain conditions. Legal ownership is recognized by law, while equitable ownership reflects fairness. Co-ownership involves shared rights as against sole ownership. These distinctions affect how rights are enforced and protected. Possession is not always straightforward. De facto possession means actual control, while de jure means legal entitlement. Constructive possession occurs without physical control. Adverse possession allows someone to gain ownership through long-term and hostile possession. Injunctions are powerful tools. They can stop someone from trespassing, demolishing a building, or interfering with possession. Courts issue them based on the urgency, harm, and who currently possesses the property. Possession plays an important role in injunctions. Possession is often prioritized in injunction cases. If someone is peacefully in possession, courts may protect them even if they are not the legal owner until ownership is resolved in a full trial. The comparison of ownership with possession shows why possession matters. Owners may have legal rights, but possessor often gets immediate protection. Courts aim to prevent disruption and maintain status quo. Let us understand the concept of ownership and possession with the help of certain examples. In Bridges versus Hawksworth, finder's possession was protected. In South Staffordshire, Waterworks versus Sherman, owner's control over land was extended to the found item. In Hanna versus Peel, possession of the house did not entitle equal possession of the items inside. These cases illustrate how courts balances possession and ownership. Sometimes the finder wins, sometimes the landowner does. The facts and the context of the case matter greatly. From the understanding gained till now, it is understood that possession often wins the battle, but ownership wins the war. Court use injunctions to protect current possessor and prevent harm, while ownership is settled through deeper legal processes. Courts balances both to ensure justice. This would be continued further to explain important aspects of injunction. This would be helpful to all the individuals, including professional in legal fields. Do continue to watch our series and share your feedback by way of comment. If found helpful, please like and share as much as possible and subscribe.